Hello. Let's do a quick demonstration how you can create a unit deal, add the options the customer prefers, take a deposit, print a purchase order. First, let's select Create or Recall a Deal. Let's hit Add New Deal. In this case, I am going to type in existing customer to expedite the demo here. Okay, it filled in all the information that we had from the customer. Obviously, if you had a new customer, you'd be keying this stuff in. He's 74 years old. This right here is an important field. If you went to a trade show and you want to keep track of how much leads you got from that trade show and how much profit you made from that trade show, this will actually give that to you. All right, now if you knew the stock number that you were looking for, you could just key that in, or you can just do a lookup. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be a stock that you have in stock. We also can do a non-stock number, but I'm going to do a lookup here, and I'm just going to look up, see what I have for boats, and we'll pick this one right here, the Stingray. It looks like there is a deposit on it already. That's okay. We can do multiple deposits. It looks like we've had 3 deposits on it, and 2 deposits, and we worked it on 3 deals. We're making 29% profit. This is a color coding thing. I have mine set for 25%. If it's 25% or higher, it's green. If it's less than 25, it's yellow. If it's less than cost, it's red. I can actually click on this here. I can display any images or pictures of the unit. I can display a video. I can click right here and go out to the website and answer any question I wish about this particular unit. I also can click here. This is my user-defined template that you can define so you can keep track of whatever you wish to keep track of. In this case, we've got 3 pages of information. Now, if I want to now find out what options the customer wants or prefers with this particular unit, I will right-click on this here, and this shows me a listing of all the particular options that I can select on this unit. Now, I can just say, okay, let's put the standard features on. You can list them. I'll let the customer see those. Maybe he wants the Yamaha 20-inch, and we're going to add this aluminum here. Maybe he wants the hydraulic steering. We're going to give him the blue. Maybe he wants that as gray. He wants the ski package, and we're going to also give him the Garmin. Okay. So these are all the things we add. Now, if in fact he wants to take one off, you can click on it and it'll just delete it all. So you can add things, delete things as much as you wish. If I also wanted to maybe add some fees here, maybe we're going to do a registration fee, we're going to do a title fee, and so now we listed all our accessories. And there again, that's an option. You can see them on the screen. You're not seeing them on the screen. And these are the options that we have added. We are now up to $121,000. Now, just to quickly go over some of the things you can do here. Right here, I can actually add in a free format. Free format, I can type in anything I wish and just put it on this invoice. Here, I can go into service and create a work order. Maybe the customer is going to be picking this boat up on Friday, and I need to tell the service department they need to have this thing ready to get picked up on Friday. This allows me to add any other serialized products to this particular deal. I can sell them more than one boat. I can sell them a jet ski. I can sell them any additional products that I wish to sell them. Right here, there again, I can do my lookup of any accessories that I have and go back to that screen where originally. I can key in a note, and maybe he wants me to call him back in a week. This goes to my customer. This allows me to actually pull pots right from my inventory. For example, just quickly, if he wants, maybe he's looking for a certain size prop. And I know the size prop, so I'm just going to do that. And let's just see if we have one of those in stock. Well, I'm just going to give him a rebuilt one just to expedite everything here. So now we're able to take that out of inventory and put it right on our deal. Okay, now let's go over here. I can actually do a job analysis, which tells me now, there again, I'm listing all my accessories. You don't need to do that. But I can see exactly how much profit we're making on this particular unit, exactly what we're making on each and everything that we're doing. I can also go over here, and there again, I can add any trades. You can put multiple trades, add pots. I can put any notes on here. There again, I can take deposits. I can actually cost plus this. Maybe I'm selling to another dealer and I just want to make 20%, 25%, 30%, whatever I want to make. In this case, let's just go in and take a deposit. So we would click right here. I want to take a deposit. When do you want me to get back to you? It defaults to a week. You can click here and change it. Maybe he says, okay, well, I'll get back to you on the 20th. How do you want to give for a deposit? Let's just put an amount in here. And now how he's going to pay. Now, if I do credit card, now I have the option where if people are using a credit card, I'm going to charge them additional fee. So in this case, the fee is going to be $175. If they say, no, I'll give you a check, well, obviously I would not charge that. So now we're going to ring up his credit card. I do have a signature pad. It's going to ask me to sign it. And we're going to sign this thing here. And we're good. Now it's going to print a receipt for the deposit. And this is a deposit receipt for the amount there, that $5,175. And you can print a quote sheet if you wish. Now you don't have to, but let's print a quote sheet. And on the quote sheet, obviously, it's listing all my accessories. It's listing all the additional products that we sold them. And here's the bottom line over here. Okay. That's how easy it is to put a customer in, take a deposit, pick the options that you wish.